Okay, here starts the damage at Nob Hill Country Club. Tuesday after the big storm of Hurricane Sandy. You can see the damage on Barbara's roof. We don't know what's inside. We do know a couple of the branches went in through the roof. Hot water heater pipe's going to have to be replaced. It's pretty bent, if you can see it up there. I really can't zoom in and zoom out. There's a lot of debris on the ground that needs to be cleaned up. Dean's unit, I don't know if you could see it in the video, there's a piece of flashing that we just have to fix. Watch the video, but keep watching the video because you're going to see where all the action took place in a minute. Just some more debris. In the casino. I don't know if you could see all that. All the pine that has to be cleaned up. And we're coming. There's just so much debris everywhere. Here's the tree that was in front of the camp office. That is no longer. It's down. That's the video, that's the tree. Look at the size of these roots. Unbelievable. This is in front of the camp office. This is Ross Electric here, trying to put up the main primaries. They've been here all day since 8, 9 o'clock this morning. This is a tree alongside Hyam's unit, as you can see. It too also rooted up. Give you a visual. Hyam's unit, no damage to the building. They're replacing all the primary wires. That means the main wires that are coming in to Nob Hill have been taken down by the storm. And now for the worst part of the damage. This is your driveway coming up. And as you see, we've already started a lot of the major cleanup. You could not even get up the driveway last night. This is part of the tree that's on Boris's roof. No damage, I repeat, no damage other than you could see where it went through the gutter. There is no inner damage to Boris's unit. These are all the trees that came down. There's 5 total. With the 80-mile-an-hour winds that we had, it couldn't hold it. I could not believe that this one has not come down. It is still standing. The valley valley is okay. I'm not going to walk the valley other than it needs a lot of cleanup. That's Terry cleaning up right now. This is a lot of the debris that's going to have to be cleaned up. This here too is another tree. And as you can see why this one's split, it's just completely rotted inside. So that's the tour, guys, gals, Nob Hill shareholders. Let's start the light that we can to keep this place afloat. And I just hope everybody else is safe through this time and video of the video. And we'll be in touch. We'll talk to you soon. May God bless. Take care.